So what up, guys? We are back and we're gonna go get the SS tuned. You'll see what it puts down. We got the boys in the truck. I don't know if you guys have seen it since it's been put together, but she doesn't look too bad.
What you got over there?
We expected 420.
420? First pull, 413 torque, 444. Yeah, so what do you think it's gonna make?
They're gonna make at least, my guess, 440 off the jump, 522.
What about you?
500. 499.
Less than 500, you gotta eat pineapple on the pizza.
If it makes over 500, if it makes over 500, you have to sit in the middle even though there's nobody there.
Wait, why do you want to sit with them in the middle? You're kind of weird, bro.
Oh,
Yeah, you're kind of weird. What the hell? Oh, what the hell? Let's see what we're at.
5 more horsepower?
Damn it. We need more.
Looks like you're eating pineapple, bud.
Oh, 471. So the fans stopped working, or they were never working. I don't know. I never checked them. Now we got these 2 fans on there. And he's going for it. Hopefully it doesn't get hot again. Update on the fingernail. It's almost off.
How do you feel about the numbers?
Sucks. Slow.
It's slow, Louis, like your car.
Huh?
It's slow like your car.
I mean, it's probably makes a lot of sense, car.
What are you doing, bro? Ah! Ah! What the hell?
You take it off?
So that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and big shout out to Richmond Tire for getting me tires on the SS and the GTO. Big shout out to Whipple for getting me in for a tune. I was bugging them. Everyone that's helped me out with the SS, it's pretty much done. Got to get an alignment tomorrow and do little cosmetic stuff, and the car's ready to go. I'm gonna drive it this weekend and show you guys where. I'm gonna get started on this thing. We have till the 29th or the 30th. The cars have to be in Vegas by the 30th. So, that being said, there's no motor in it right now. Alex did the exhaust for me. Shout out to Granatelli. They provided us with all the piping to make the exhaust for it. Show you guys all that in the next video. Gotta put a new motor in there. Color fittings is on the way to my house right now to remake all my hoses and fittings. We're gonna see how all this goes, and hopefully it all plays out and we can get tuned by Friday. Sorry to bunch all this up in one video. I try not to make it too boring. And I know me working on cars and me not doing anything fun, you guys are probably like, dude, I'm done watching this. So trying to get all these cars done so that I can go make fun content with them.